In this video, I will teach you that how to export Premiere Pro to mp4 if you have completed your work. So how you can export. For this, I have imported here one Islamic video, and I will unlink, just doing a little work before exporting it. So this is the audio, okay, and I will make it like speed duration of my audio is 20 seconds. I will make it like the video duration also 20 and 15 frames. Okay, so now you can see सबसे औला हमारा नबी सबसे बाला वाला हमारा नबी. So now if I want to export it, we can select this timeline and click Ctrl M. So now here you can see where location you want to select. This method you can select, or you can go to File, Export and Media. You can also use this one. So Ctrl M is the keyboard shortcut key for this purpose. So location here you can select like where you want to export it. For instance, in desktop I want, so I will select desktop, and the name like name of the video you can type there, and format you will select H.264. First time maybe when you install and first time you are using Adobe Premiere, so maybe here it's not H.264. So H.264 format is the mp4. For example, here this is selected. So now it will export in MPEG4. So you will have to select H.264. Okay, so other settings, video match source and these things you can change if you want, but mp4 this. And I recommend like other settings according to your dimension. It should be like video. Now you can see it's 4K. So we will export it and it will take few minutes, few seconds to few minutes according to your work. If you have done a lot of work, then might be possible it will take more time. So now our video consists only 20 seconds, so it will take only few minutes, and the video will export in mp4 format. So this is the easy and best method to export as mp4 in Adobe Premiere Pro 2023 or any before version. Make sure you have Adobe Media Encoder installed in your computer before this step. So that also should be installed. So it has been installed. You can see here, like, see, I have Adobe Media Encoder. So make sure you also have. Now if I open the video, you can see video has been सबसे औला हमारा नबी सबसे बाला वाला हमारा नबी. And if you right click and you click on properties, so you can see in the journal section type of file is mp4.mp4 extension. So see how easily we have learned how we can export the video in Adobe Premiere to mp4. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn and they can increase their professional skills Thank you so much once again.